When we used to be a student, we always want to learn more, we always want to learn in detail, and we always look for various kinds of notes that will help us to get the highest academic score. Not only highest academic score, but also boost our knowledge in that way that we can succeed or we can get a very good job. But at that time, due to the lack of availability of the resources, and at that time the internet is not that advanced that everything is available online, we feel lots of complications and hurdle in learning. But now internet is advanced and you can get a lots of resources. So to present one of resource of mine, that is a topper's note in Diagnostic Physics of Radiology. This is basically a package where you can get all kinds of variety notes, starting from a lesson note, lecture note, presentations, patient note, examination note, and various additional notes. In this package of a topper's note of medical physics, diagnostic radiology, you will get all the topics. Generally, it is having a 25 topics, and each topic is having a 4 varieties of notes, 4 to 5 varieties of notes that will help you to excel and help you to achieve a highest academic score, as well as help you to gain a knowledge that will boost you or make you unique as compared to the other in this domain. So why waiting for? Let's grab all these notes and succeed in this domain of medical physics of diagnostic radiology.